Dancing in all three times until the energy reach your Mingmen. It's not hitting, it's slow condensing. This is called the 5 dragons holding the holiness, yeah? And the rest of the directions, the 5 dragons holding the holiness. So this is the, within the Genwu story, the moment when the Genwu jumps behind this girl and saves her, yeah? And the dragons come up to lift. So when you do this, when you are here, you must give this image to yourself. Continuing here. This image must be there, from you to you. Okay? The dragon part was very good. The direction is very nice, and the whole group stayed together. We must thank him, yeah? He knows how to do that. So, the next point is important. Look, when you come, it's not this, it's this. The hands go forward, but they are not pushing like this. Okay? So let's say you are here, you do 1, if they are a little bit turned, that's okay. But it is, you must understand, it's not a push like this. It's this. And then roll, change the weight, spiral up, push forward. Yeah? Then it continues to the other direction. Same way. Also here take care, sometimes I also miss this, but anytime when the dragon comes up, look up, it should go over the third eye, not over the Baihui, the dragon. Yeah?